Shah Jahan Mosque, Thatta, Sindh, Pakistan. Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. Marvels of Pakistan would like to welcome you all once again. Today we will showcase the magnificent Shah Jahan Mosque, built in the Mughal era during the reign of Shah Jahan in the 17th century. The Mughals ruled over South Asia for nearly 200 years, starting from the 16th century until their downfall in the 18th. Shah Jahan, whose real name was Shahabuddin Muhammad Khurram, was the son of Jahangir and the fifth Mughal emperor. He ruled over the subcontinent from 1628 to 1658. Shah Jahan had a unique aesthetic sense and flair for architecture. It was during his reign of 30 years that the Taj Mahal of Agra, Lal Qila in Delhi, Moti Masjid Lahore, and many more incredible, majestic and grand structures of the Mughal period were constructed. Little did he know that they would later become the most popular historic sites for generations to follow. Shah Jahan Mosque is also one of the architectural masterpieces built during his reign in the 17th century. When Shah Jahan rebelled against his father Jahangir for the throne, he sought refuge in Sindh. The people of Sindh were extremely hospitable towards him and they took good care of him. Jahangir later forgave Shah Jahan, and when he finally became the emperor of the Mughal dynasty, he gifted this glorious mosque as a token of gratitude to the people of Sindh. Just 20 minutes away from the Makli necropolis, Shah Jahan Mosque is on the tentative list of UNESCO's World Heritage Sites since 1993. Shah Jahan Mosque is one of the most fascinating buildings constructed during his reign. It has no minarets and has an impressive number of 93 domes. The beautiful geometric designs, enhanced with red bricks, calligraphy and blue tiles, are a fusion between Persian, Turkish and Timurid influences. This design and decor is quite different to the usual Mughal architectural style. The most remarkable feature of this mosque is its acoustic aspect. The Imam speaking in one dome at a certain volume can be heard throughout the building without the use of any speakers. Young architects and students from all over the world visit these grand buildings to learn from the techniques that were used at that time. If you do get a chance to visit Sindh, then this visual treat and marvel of science is something never to be missed. Thank you for watching. Your feedback means a lot, so don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. Stay safe and Allah Hafiz. उर्दू में यही वीडियो देखने के लिए हमारा चैनल मार्वल्स ऑफ पाकिस्तान ज़रूर विज़िट कीजिए। शुक्रिया।